Hello everybody, today we're looking at the Worth Zebra drill bits. It's high-speed drill bit and it's got a 130-degree cutting edge in the front. As you can see, with that 130 degrees, it gives you a much sharper point, and the flutes is also quite close to one another. That helps remove the material much quicker, and you can drill at an angle with this. Instead of your drill bit running around, the 130-degree point helps you with that. You can drill aluminium, you can drill steel, and steel up to a strength of 850 newtons per millimeter square. You can drill plastic, you can drill wood. So if you stand a bit closer, I can show you a demo here in terms of how quickly it removes the material. Always remember, cutting and drilling oil. Remember, you can utilize this in a hand drill or in a drill press. And always remember, PPE, gloves, safety glasses, and with cut and cool.